Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque P300e R-Dynamic HSE. This petrol plug-in hybrid features a 1.5 petrol engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in the stunning Santorini black. Starting our journey from the front, where we will see the premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights. And cascading down the side, the stylish and sporty dynamics are continued as it sits on these 20-inch diamond-turned alloys with gloss dark grey contrast. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a versatile amount of boot space, perfect for a set of golf clubs or a shopping for a week away. You will also find your two set of charging cables, one which is fitted with a domestic charging socket. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with their Ebony perforated Windsor leather seats, which will ensure comfort and quality on any length of journey. And glimpsing into your cockpit, where you'll find your 14-way heated electric driver memory front seats, which will ensure every journey is as comfortable as the last. And as we take a closer look at the view that greets the driver, you will find your heated leather multifunctional steering wheel, which as you can see offers a sleek design with a wide array of functions at your disposal. In front of you, you'll find your part digital display, which can harbour key information such as your trip computer, your sat nav and your speed. Advancing over to your 10-inch Pivi Pro deployable touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your rear traffic monitor, your rear camera and your front and rear parking aid, which will ensure parking navigating this vehicle is like second nature. You'll further be able to access your electric vehicle functions such as battery life and charging capacity. Advancing down now to your lower screen, you will also be able to see further climate control systems as well as heated seat functions, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences. You'll further be able to access vehicle dynamics and eco settings, and finalising our journey we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross the occupants in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.